it's gardening update. Okay, it's Sunday afternoon. Your father has worked so hard this weekend, planting and then replanting plants that I have made him drag all around the yard. But he has like completed a masterpiece. Now let me show you. So you've just arrived. You girls have just both parked your cars out here. Okay, or maybe you're in our car, and we just pulled up from the airport. But anyway, you've just arrived, and I'm so excited because I got you both here. So take a tour. Come with me. So this is our walkway. Dad, will you do a sweep of the... Okay, and then I'll give you a quick tour. You saw this the other day, but you might notice if you are bored and you want to go back and look and compare that video to this one, that the plants are all in different places now. If you think that's the case, you're right. So starting here. This is the rose garden. What do you mean?
Good.
What? All right, Dad's directing me instead of just letting me talk. Okay. Here's the rose garden. Here is our flowering pear. Here is a plant that I don't know what it is. They just planted it in. So it better not get too comfortable there. It will definitely be getting moved because it doesn't go with what I'm doing. So, or unless I can figure out, I think it's a daylily, I think. When it comes up, if I can get a couple more, then I'll fill it in. But if I can't get a couple more, he has to move to a new home. Okay, that's just to let you know the plan. Okay. Here's our bird feeder. Oops. Okay. And, oh, seems like there's another potted plant in there that's waiting for its home. Mom must be looking for a new home for it. He's actually quaking in his pot because he's heard from all these other these plants that just don't get too relaxed when you get in your new home. Because they all got settled in and then they had to move. Very cool. Okay. Here is a hydrangea that Dad planted for me. Okay. And that was in another part of the yard. This is going to be the peony garden. We have our first peony. There's 3 more in the mail on their way. Just got the confirmation. So this will be the peony garden right here. There is a Persian lilac tree that is going right about here. And it's actually on its way, maybe even in the mailbox. It's a lilac, but it grows into a tree. So I thought that would be nice because it won't be too big, but it'll give us privacy up there, just like that tree is going to. So, way down that like road, when girls come to visit us and we're old and gray, we can all sit up there, and we'll have complete privacy because the trees will be filtering the view. And I think the entire neighborhood is watching me, wondering who the hell I'm talking to. Okay, here is our new garden that Dad just completed. You should let me film you here so you can take a bow. We'll do that later. See, yeah. Okay, so Dad. So this is going to be a little walkway. And then this is our patio. And we're going to get a little fire pit right here. And it will be right here. And when you girls are here, if we have to still do social distancing, which we probably will be for a while, but at least we have this option. We have the sidewalk don't step on my rose. Dad's trying to murder the plants. So we can socially distant visit, and then when things get better, I hope sooner than later, we can actually all take turns sitting around the fire pit, and we can move the other chairs in closer. Oh, and if you don't want to visit with us, but you want to experience a fire pit and just hang out in, it's so funny. It's like, it's a cross living here between a nature preserve and the city. Yesterday afternoon, it was like living in the city. You could hear people, everybody was talking, everybody was working in their yards. We'll have to get a clip of that because we're closer to people, and so you just hear, and it's just so neat. It's like being in a city. But then at night, we hear animals that we don't even know what they are. Annie, I'm gonna send you a clip because I bet you know. We think it's a tree frog, but it might be a bird. Anyway, so you can come down here or over here if you're Annie, because Annie is not down. I guess, are we down from Annie?
Yeah.
I'm so tired, by the way. That I'm sure this sounds like I'm drunk. I'm really, really not. Not since last night anyway, so I sound like I'm not even drinking. We've got roses that are going to go up, and then we're going to hang some little lights up here, and then you'll have the fire pit. So you can come down and enjoy this, okay? And we won't even bother you. We'll even leave, okay? And you can have run of the place, okay? And then here's the front door. And then this is the new pathway that we're putting in going back to the back. So we wanted to have some privacy because it was just so open, and we want all this to feel more private since now we have to spend so much time in lockdown, and we want to enjoy our yard now. So we're building a little pathway, and there's no updates here. I think we already gave you the garden tour here, but we'll be updating you, I'm sure, in a few days. All right. Thank you. I love you. And hats off to Dad, because he's the one that did all the heavy lifting. Okay. I just came up with plans for it. Okay. Bye. That was so bad.